small living room ideas revolve around tricking the eye into making the area appear more spacious. Such strategies can transform an area that feels cramped and claustrophobic into one that feels cozy and aesthetically pleasing. Decorate in a way that maximizes light and space, and pay attention to how you use color, scale and weight. It can make quite a difference. It's interesting to try new things. Sometimes traditional ideas about living room decor aren't the best solution for a small space. Instead of using blinds for window treatments, use long, flowing drapes because they draw attention to vertical space, thus expanding the area of the room. Your living room, regardless of size, should be able to function as a space for relaxation and entertaining. Here are some of our favorite ways to make it feel more spacious.